In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a solution article in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clear, helpful article and make it available to your customers with confidence. Start by heading to the Solutions area. Look to the left-hand navigation bar and click the Solutions icon. This section is your knowledge base hub, the place where customers come to find answers, so everything you do here directly impacts how easily people can help themselves. Next, create your article. In the top right corner, click the New Article button. This opens the editor where you'll add your content and set the details that help people find it. Begin drafting with a strong, straightforward title. Keep it clear and concise so readers immediately understand what problem the article solves. Think like your audience and use the words they would type into search. Avoid jargon unless your customers commonly use it and place the most important terms up front. Now write the body using the rich text editor. Break information into logical sections and use headings to guide readers through the process. Short paragraphs, numbered or bulleted lists for actions, and tables for quick comparisons make scanning effortless. Aim for step-by-step clarity, use plain language, and include expected outcomes so readers can verify they're on track. If you mention tools or settings, name them exactly as they appear in Freshdesk to reduce confusion. Add helpful visuals by clicking Attach Files at the bottom. You can include screenshots, PDFs, or manuals to reinforce tricky steps or provide reference material. Remember the limits, up to 25 megabytes per file and 100 megabytes per total. Choose descriptive file names so attachments are meaningful at a glance, and ensure your images are cropped and readable. With your content in place, configure the article properties on the right side. Choose the correct folder or category so the article appears in the right spot in your knowledge base. Add tags, simple keywords that match what customers search for to boost discoverability. Then assign the author so it's clear who owns the content for updates and accountability. When you're ready, decide whether to save or publish. Clicking Save stores your work as a draft so you can return to polish wording, verify links, or gather approvals. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the article live on your customer portal. A quick final read-through for formatting, spelling, and broken links goes a long way toward a professional result. That's it. You've accessed solutions, created your article, refined the content, set properties, and published it for your customers.